In this video, I'll show you how to copy Binance wallet address. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure what I'm going to show you in this video. So what you need to do now, open up your Binance. So you can come on and you can see there's a whole lot of cryptocurrency here. So if your loved ones or your family or anyone that wants to make payments to you on Binance asks you to send him or her your Binance wallet address, what you need to do, you need to ask the person the crypto the person wants to send to you. So let's say if the person wants to send, let me see, Bitcoin. I'll just come on, I'm going to type in Bitcoin. Okay, BTC. So I'm going to wait for it to open up. I'm going to click on add BTC. You're going to be able to see on-chain deposit. So once you click on the on-chain deposit, your wallet address is going to come out. So it still applies to other cryptocurrencies here on Binance. The USDC, all of them, right? So click on the add USDC. You're going to be able to see the on-chain deposit. So you're going to be able to copy the wallet address and send to the person. So through that, the person can be able to send you payments here on your Binance. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.